Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Steam games lagging and high ping issue. Now, once you launch Steam, come to the top left, click here on this Steam icon, and then click on settings. Now I want you to scroll down until you find in-game and then go ahead and click on this. And what I need you to find is down here. So once we come down here, you see this server browser pings per minute. This is set to automatic at 5,000. This is too high. I want you to lower it to at least 1,000. Okay, save your settings, can close this, and then go ahead and close Steam. And then I want you to come here, click on this arrow, right click on Steam, okay, and then go ahead and click on exit Steam. So once we have exited Steam, I want you to come here and search for this, okay? Search for power. So we're going to be editing our power plan, or you can also right click on your battery icon, click on power options. Now, here you see we have balanced and power saver. What we need to do is create a new power plan. So go ahead and click here on create a power plan, and then choose this one, high performance. Okay, it's going to consume more energy, but it will give you the best performance. You can name this to performance mode. Okay. And then go ahead and click on next right here. There we go. And there we go. We have this. Then go ahead and create this. Perfect. As you can see, my screen just got much brighter. Wow. And it's really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to Sasha Gemar.